Hi, my name is Sujeeth. I'm 50 years old. I'm doing farming. So I had this back pain, that is sciatica problem in my L4, L5 during 3 months back. So it was like not very severe. So I did some physio and I could able to correct it maybe within 1 week, 15 to 20 days. And after 1 month, I was perfectly all right. So again, when I was doing my routine work in my farm, I just lifted some weight that day and I did some hard works. So when I came back home, I slept and next day morning I could not get up. So I was struggling on the bed. I don't know how to get out of the bed. So my son came and he lifted me up. And he lifted me up, and after that I could adjust myself for after 2 3 minutes, and then I could walk slowly and go to the washroom. So this has become regular on the regular basis, that every time I lie down my son has to come and he has to get me out of the bed. And the pain was also getting little bit severe. So through my friends and reference, I got to know Dr. Kiran Kumar Lingutla. I met him with, I fixed an appointment with him. He asked me to come with an MRI. So I went, met him with the MRI. After seeing the MRI, he said the protrusion is severe in L4, L5. You need a surgery, or else for immediate relief you need an injection. And he said the injection is only 60% success. So actually I'm a person like I don't go for injection even for my viral fever or whatever. I only take medications because I'm so afraid of this injection. So I requested doctor for medication initially. He said medication is not going to work. I requested him again, just let me try doctor. If it's not working, I'll get back to you. So he has prescribed medication for 10 days. So I had for 5 6 days, nothing was working, no improvement. The pain is getting severe and more. I was struggling. My normal life has gone. I couldn't sit. I couldn't stand. So I couldn't use the washroom. The bowel movement was very difficult. So after 10 days, 15 days, I took almost 3 weeks to get back to the doctor because my family was worried. They forced me. So I called doctor, again fixed up appointment, and I told him I'll go for surgery. So immediately next day I went for pre-surgery tests in Yashoda Hospital. They have taken all the tests. It took almost 3 to 4 hours. So doctor saw the report and he said you are fit for surgery. Then immediately next day we fixed it for surgery date. So I went there up in the morning around 8:30. The surgery started maybe around 9:30. That took me into the operation theater. So I only remember going to the theater and lying down there. After that I don't remember anything. So after the surgery they brought me to the post surgery ward. After coming to the post surgery ward, they just woke me up, calling my name, asking me to open the eyes. I opened the eyes. Doctor was in front of me. He said surgery is over. I was like in that I was like shocked. It's over. Okay. And doctor asked me to bend my leg. I could do it, and he asked me, is it paining? I said, no doctor, it's all fantastic. I'm not feeling anything. He said the surgery has went on well. You'll be all right. Then they kept me in post-op surgery ward for 1.5 hours. Then they shifted me to the normal room. There, the whole evening I was sleeping like because of the anesthesia, sedation, whatever. The next day morning, I could able to get out of my bed on my own. I could walk within less than 24 hours. The only discomfort I had was the cluster, that is urine bag, which I requested the doctor to remove. So they removed it. I could use the washroom on myself, on my own. The same day I was ready to go home. But it was late, so I stayed one more day. And next day, first hour, I was discharged. I was so happy that everything went on well. So now I've come back to normal life. I could sit, I could get up, I could walk, everything within 24 hours. So I'm very thankful to Dr. Kiran Kumar Lingutla. And this surgery, it's a very surprising to me. It's a minimal invasive surgery, but doctor made it very simple, 100% safe and successful. So I was a little worried about the spine surgery, but doctor made it very simple. I'm shocked. Like the the very third day, I went back to him for dressing, changing the dressing wound. The third day, the wound was like good, healing well, and everything went on. So I'm happy. Doctor has brought me to the normal life. He has given me back the normal life where I'm doing all my regular things. Thank you so much, doctor.